Good morning. We've arrived in Pimpen in North Dorset and we're here today to fit some Longham style doors into this barn opening here. We get quite a bit of work doing these because these houses come built with a nice open carport, but it doesn't allow for any security if you want to store anything in there. So we can make you nice doors to fit any size opening, and today we'll be fitting the Longham style, which there they are in the back of the van, and these are made in softwood, but we can also make them in hardwood. That's finished these Longham garage doors. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.